afternoon, everyone. This is your host, Ankita Thapliyar. Well, it feels great pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of Excel Research, the 2021 Global Choice Award, powered by Asian Fresh, leading brand in FMCG industry. Also, we would like to thanks to PKC Advisor, our event partner, and thank you our magazine partner, The Journey Untold Success Stories. The next award is for Inspiring Innovation of the Year, and the award goes to Giancarlo Zazzeri. Giancarlo is deeply committed to expanding his transformative healing work to assist as many people as possible to reconnect with their authentic selves and reclaim their power to master their personal destiny with his innovative energy healing method called Transcendental Quantum Reiki. This method is a new frontier in holistic energy healing, and it is the result of his years of dedicated research and practice as a world-renowned metaphysicist, shaman, and senior holistic counselor. Well, congratulations to Giancarlo Zazzeri, trainer, supervisor, and professional counselor, for his commendable work to the society.
Hello everyone and welcome. And what do I have here for my delightful surprise? Well, I have just received this beautiful trophy from the Global Choice Awards of Inspiring Innovation of the Year 2021. For what? Yes, for my highly innovative and very powerful holistic energy healing approach called TQR, which is the acronym of Transcendental Quantum Reiki. It's a method that has created fantastic holistic practitioners in energy healing, and of course it has changed the lives of many people. My dream is to expand this method all around the world, because it is indeed a method that denotes how the world is changing. Okay, Transcendental Quantum Reiki is indeed a modern interpretation to energy healing, and of course it is the result of my years of experience as shaman and metaphysicist, and it is indeed a very powerful method. Anyway, I thank Global Choice Awards for this beautiful trophy. It is indeed a very delightful surprise, and thank you very much, really from the heart of the soul.
The Journey Untold Success Stories is initiative by Excel Research Media Private Limited, India's leading magazine that loves small-scale business, entrepreneur, and professionals who have climbed their way to success with our exceptional editorial team. We bring you the success stories of entrepreneurs blessed with creative minds who did not let the challenges fade their vision. Also, we will get an insight into the entrepreneurial journey of founder and small-scale businesses who share the hues of success, joy, sorrow, high and low, and the secrets on how they put together everything to outshine and become successful. If you think you have a story that can inspire and motivate people to start their business and entrepreneurial journey, share your story with us and let the world know.